Belgrade in 2179 is violently split in two. The wealthy live in the Gornji Rez, a floating canopy of pristine, sunlit glass arcologies. Dropping down to level 3 reveals the Donji Blato, a dark, rain-soaked slum trench built on the ruins of the old world. The Korporacija Novog Sveta, or KNS, governs the sky layer and holds a monopoly on human memory. Their digital purity laws, specifically Article 44, categorize all unverified historical archives and analog religious texts as strictly contraband. Mila Vukic makes her living in the black market of the lower city. As a data runner, she smuggles stolen recollections through the physical streets, bypassing digital networks that are completely compromised. She relies on a contraband neural sleeve stitched behind her left ear. This hardware allows her to physically download and transport up to 64 memory packages at a time, keeping the data entirely offline. To survive, she utilizes the city's ancient geography. She moves through the 19th century neoclassical facades and cobblestones of Knez Mihailova Street, hiding among crumbling plaster and retrofitted data relay modules to stay off the corporate grid. In a city where corporate algorithms erase history to maintain control, Mila's physical smuggling is the only method for the lower classes to preserve their past. When a specific memory archive disappears from the logs, the KNS board deploys Vesna Ilyich. She is a Level 8 extraction specialist from the Central Compliance Unit, answering only to the board. Vesna uses a neural interface crown woven directly into her skull. It projects a perfect 50-meter detection radius around her body at all times. Standard encryption offers no defense here. Vesna does not attempt to hack digital locks. Instead, the crown detects the physical frequency of any neural implant within her proximity, causing the hardware to vibrate in response. Her current target is Yelena, a 71-year-old schoolteacher holding a missing archive fragment. Yelena's first-generation implant is so archaic that it shines like a beacon on Vesna scanners. Mila has minutes to reach Yelena's classroom in the Vrachar district. She must extract the teacher before Vesna's walking 50-meter radius envelops the building. Vesna's crown functions as a short-range radar for human consciousness, turning the mind into a trackable physical object. Mila sprints across the historic red-tiled roofs and narrow alleys of the Zeman district, desperate to beat the specialist to the classroom. She must also evade the sky. KNS pursuit drones sweep the district with thermal optics and red scanner beams, hunting in the heavy rain. She counters the drones using the city's architecture, ducking under illegal signal mesh netting, and utilizing dead zones created by clusters of repurposed satellite dishes. While Mila relies on speed, Vesna moves methodically. Flanked by technicians, she walks through the streets, letting the crown's constant radius do the hunting. Mila reaches the basement schoolroom, only to find Yelena refuses to leave her 6 students. This anchors the target directly in Vesna's path. With physical speed no longer an option, and their target stationary, Mila must rewrite the tactical rules of the engagement to survive. The vulnerability lies in Yelena's outdated operating system. Its unique architecture makes her digital signature stand out clearly against the ambient noise. This diagram shows why she is so easy to track. To counter this, Mila employs the chorus tactic, taking Yelena's highly visible OS code and broadcasting it outward. Yelena hooks a local transmitter to an illegal analog broadcast antenna hidden in the building's electrical conduit. The patch pushes to the implants of nearby militia veterans. Instantly, Yelena's signature multiplies into 20 identical signatures, drowning Vesna's neural crown in a block of digital static. Deprived of their tracking advantage, Vesna's technicians enter the alley blind. In the ensuing close-quarters combat, Mila swiftly neutralizes them against the rain-slicked walls. The chorus hack weaponizes data saturation by turning a unique digital flaw into a collective signal. Mila renders the crown's precision tracking useless. With the pursuit team neutralized, Mila escapes with the fragment, descending deep beneath the city into the Katakombi tunnels. Here, cybermonks maintain a sanctuary of offline servers, hidden behind ancient Byzantine icons, keeping the city's data entirely severed from the KNS network. In a future governed by corporate tracking and digital erasure, the ultimate form of defiance is the preservation of the stubborn, analog memory of the human past.